In this video, let's try to handle rules for pawn. But we'll only think about the normal move without the ampersand or promotion. Okay? So let's get started. Test. Pawn rules. Like that. So let's handle. Let's make a copy of this. Okay, so let's handle the simplest case. A pawn, for example, here can go to here, here, or here, right? And for this one, it depends. If there's a piece here, it cannot go there. But if it's empty, we could go there, right? So we can put a question mark there. Like it depends, isn't okay? So let's handle this case first. But for example, for the black, it will be like that, right? So this is okay. Oh, it depends. Yeah, it also depends, because if there's a piece here, yeah, either it's a black or white, it's, yeah, then it's blocked. Okay, so it means here is like that. We don't know if there's, and this one, yeah, same thing. Wow, it sounds like complicated. Okay, so let's start from this one. So empty game. This is an empty game. Let's insert our, let's handle this one first. So it's 5, 6. There's a pawn on 5, 5, 6. White, yes. Pawn. Okay. So this one, if now it assume is still there's no piece there, right? So it should be able to, it cannot move to here. It cannot move to here. And it cannot move to here. And it can move to here, right? And here. Oh, we can, sorry about that. So what about this? What happened to here? Okay, so let's make a copy for the next later cases. Okay, so for this one, let's keep it simple here. So this is okay, empty one, this is also okay, and here is not okay, and of course here not okay, not okay, not okay. Is it? Yeah. So XCT assert false, game dot can move piece from 5 and 6 to here, 6, 5. Okay, 6, 5. Now let's run it and fail. Yeah. Okay, so it's time to go to the, let's implement that, some logic there. So this is the final one, so we can, okay, so let's add the method first. Let's make a copy of that. can move pawn, and let's return true or false for now. Okay, false, and let's add the last one here, so we don't need the default, right? Bye bye default, because we have all of them now. So this one will be pawn. Yeah, so can move pawn. Now the structure is there, so let's do it. Let's handle this one. Okay, so what is the scenario? This one, right? This one. It means this is the first move of this white pawn. First move of this white pawn. So we can say if from column, from row equals what is that? Here 6. So we can use control command back and forth, right? Like that. Shortcut key. Cool. So 6. If that is 6, then we can we can return. Oh, and now we need to check. We need to check if this is empty, right? It should be empty, so it means there's no, if there's a piece here, then we cannot go, yeah, we cannot move any piece, white or, yeah, so it has to be empty. So if that, let's do, if from row is okay, so now we can check if 2 rows equals 5, right? Then what? Then we return piece at. Oh, yeah, it has to go straight. It has to go straight. It cannot go here. Then it means yeah, the sorry. Okay. 2 rows. So return. So column is the from column. Row is the 2 row. This one has to be nil. It's empty, and 2 column has to be same as from column, right? If 2 row is that, so what about if 2 row is 4? So this guy, can we use the same logic? 4. Oh, else if can we use like all like that? 2 rows equals 4, right? we can return. Yeah, there. Oh no, it's different. This is wrong. For this one, the two places has to be both empty. So it means we have to do else if. Let's do it step by step here. So if that is more complicated, this is the same, so we can put it here, right? Does it make sense? Yeah, only two column has to be same as that. Okay, so now we need to make sure both are empty, this one and the other one. So piece at 2 row plus 1, right? So can we merge the logic here? If it's that, and this one is empty, if that is 5, or that is so we can say if this one is yeah, this one has to be empty. So let's change this a little bit. So the 4 row 5 has to be empty, otherwise otherwise there's no, we don't need to consider anything. So this one is empty. If this one is empty, so we can return like 2 rows, right, equals 5. And now oh yes, now I got it. We can delete that. All 2 row, right, is 4, and there is empty. Wow, logic is fun here. It's like that. So if this one is empty, we can go there, or we can go here, and if there is also empty. Yeah, now can we simplify the code any further? So this is new, and that or that. Okay, so I think it's fine. Now let's test it. Let's add 2 successful, like true, assert true, okay, case. So true for 5, column 5, yeah, this guy. And true for 5, 4, 4, right? Let's run it. Yes. Now that's false. Okay, let's put our, okay, now let's put a blocker there. So we'll test that. Let's use a new setup. So this time let's put a piece here. Say our own or enemy, yeah, put our own like knight here, okay? So now we cannot move to here, so it means this is 5-5. Okay, so 5-5 will be false. 5-5 will be false after we insert a knight there. Insert a knight at 5-5. Okay, 5-5, put a knight there. Yeah, this guy. And we cannot move to here, right? Oh, because this is called self capture, so it doesn't make sense. So let's put this here, right? Otherwise we already handled the self, we avoid, right, self capturing. So now this one we cannot move to, yeah, we cannot capture the enemy here, and we cannot go to here, yeah. So this is also false for 2-row 4. Let's run it. Right. So now what if, yeah, the other one, this time here is the other one. What if here there is a enemies, right, piece there? So okay, so we don't, so let's keep it simple here, otherwise it's confusing. Yeah, like that. So here we are handling this case. So from here to there is not okay, but we can move to here, like this is true, right? 5-5 is true, but 5-4 is false. So but we need to, the knight is at 5-4. Yeah, knight is at 5-4 here. It's not 5-5. This one, knight. Okay, that's we can use command U to test everything. Yes, it works. So let's try on our simulator. Okay, so for example we are testing, yeah, 5 here. So this guy, no, this is not okay, this is not okay. What about this one? Yes, we don't have the black one. Oh, here is a bug. We need to make sure it's white. Yeah, so that's at the but we haven't put our, yeah, I think our logic is we missed one very important thing here, like if, so from So from, okay, let's put a big if here. If, oh, we need to get the, okay, we need to get the moving piece. Okay, so guard let, right? Let's use the autocomplete. Okay, let moving pawn, actually moving pawn equals piece at, right, from column, from row. So if there's nothing there, of course we return false. Otherwise we put a big if here. If is white, moving piece pawn dot is white, okay, then we'll put everything here. And if that, okay, so this one, like let's return false here. Return false here for now, and true here. So now let's test again. So we can move our piece pawn here. Now we should be able to move. Yeah, okay, that one. So now let's test. So this is not okay, right? This should be okay. Yeah. So now let's put our, okay, so can we can put the, okay, so now let's move another one here. Yeah, we don't have, oh, so it means, why this doesn't work? Because it's not at here. It's not at here. Oh, we broke that, so it means here should be, so let's remove this one for now. We should allow that. Okay, so rerun it, because we don't want to block anything other than from this very beginning. Okay, so let's do something like that. And because we can move this guy to anywhere, so let's put it here for testing. Okay, now we cannot go here, right? Oh, what happened here? There is a piece, right? So we caught a bug, but we already put the scenario in our test case, right? Let's see. So if there's a knight at 5-4, no, here 5-5, we assert 4, right? 2-5-5. So is it this one? Oh, that's wrong. Okay, so here is white is should be false. Wow. Okay, so this one is false. We make a mistake in our test case. So now let's test it again. Okay, let's go back to the here. So I think we'd better do something like that. Return false here. So else, then it means that, right? It means we allow all the black to move, black pawn. So return true. So we don't need this. Now let's go back to test. Yeah, it passed. It passed. Now let's run it. So okay, so now let's make a move like that. Yeah, it works. So let's put a black one here to block it. So can we do that? No. Can we do that? No. Okay, it works. Can we do that? No. Cool. So we'll handle the black pawn in our next video. Thank you for watching. See you next time.